Alright, here we have a Spectrum Technologies Capris 60 laser wire marking machine. We're offering this machine for parts because it has a few issues. It's possible it could be fixed and used, or it could just be used as a backup for spare parts to support another machine somebody currently already has. It is a great parts machine because it is in incredibly good condition. It's super clean. There's barely any scratches on the exterior, and as we walk around it, you'll be able to see how clean it is. But I'll go over just a few things that we have found are obviously wrong with it. Since we're right here, we'll start with the computer here. You can't run the machine because the computer is not communicating with the machine. And as we walk around, there are some clues as to possibly why that is occurring. But if we go to the system status, you'll see here some errors will start popping up because it's not communicating with the laser or the machine. But the computer does indeed work. It appears it's the original computer from 2001. It does work. It's a little slow, but that's kind of expected with something of this age. And you know, we're not experts in this field, so we're just making these observations. So we saw the back of the machine here. And you can see the various controllers lit up down there. Here, so while we're right here, we'll look down into the laser box. You see how good a condition it is, how clean. So one of the issues we know it has is there's a minor leak out of the laser. We can see right here the coolant leak. Alright, so we'll go here to the front. And inside of here is also very, very clean. Alright, so we'll work our way over to the side here. We do know that the tension system does work. I don't have air hooked up to it right now, but if you lift up on this arm, the motor will turn in either direction depending on the position of the dancer arm. So another known issue, which is probably related to the communication, is this whole output breakout board. None of the LEDs are lit. One is dimly lit. That's probably an indication there's something wrong. And also, relating to that, most likely over here on the power supply, over here on the right, if you measure the voltage on the positive 24 right there, it is actually only 3 volts, so there's something going on there. We did switch out the power supply responsible for that with another known good unit, and it does the same thing. So there's something in the circuit drawing down that voltage, causing that issue. So it's probably just one simple little pinched wire or short somewhere causing all these issues. And then as far as the laser itself, You can connect to it with a pendant controller. This controller will not go with this machine. It goes with another machine. But you can just see the flash count in there. It's like 3 million. So before that was leaking, we were able to try to operate with this, and you can hear the power supply pulsing, trying to pulse the flash lamp, but it is not. It probably needs a flash lamp. So the flash lamp does not pulse, but you can hear the power supply clicking. So that's the machine, kind of in a nutshell, and you can just see just how clean everything is. And it would serve as a great parts machine. There's a lot of stuff in here to help support another older Capri machine. You know, or just put some time into it with a technician that's familiar with them to get them working.